Today evening, the news that broke a lot of Kenyans' hearts is receiving the news that one of our favorite, one of the top athletes that we have in this nation, that is Faith Kipyegon, a race had been disqualified. This is after it was claimed that Faith Kipyegon pushed a certain athlete out of the racing tracks. Now, this brought a lot of unrest in the country, and many Kenyans took on their different social media requesting for the Olympics to and for our country Kenya to appeal the decision by the Olympics to disqualify our High On Lady. That's how we refer to her, Faith Kipyegon. Now, truth be told, our country's flag has been risen high by this woman. We have watched and admired her. We have been proud of her in different podiums and in different arenas where Faith Kipyegon has represented our country. We have always had that confidence that Faith Kipyegon will shine the star of Kenya way above how people think about it. If you look at this video, on what was going on, you shall realize that in the said video, Faith was trying to avoid the lady from pushing her out of the racing tracks. But now the Olympics tried to discredit Faith and kick her out of the race and claimed that she did not deserve a medal because we know Faith that she's used to winning gold. But today, she wasn't able to bring gold home. But also, the gold was taken by one of us, Chebet, which is something that we are celebrating right now as a country. But to my heart, a surprise, Kenyans, after taking on different social media platforms to hear their dissatisfaction with Faith Kipyegon being disqualified in the 5,000 meters race, women meters race, we have just received the news that the Olympics have had no otherwise than to go ahead and reinstate Faith Kipyegon and reward her with her medal. Yes, Faith Kipyegon silver medal reinstated. The World Athletics has posted its official legendary women's 5,000 meters podium. The first person to take gold was Beatrice Chebet, Kenyan. Number 2 was Faith Kipyegon, and number 3 was Sifa Hassan. I think this one is Ethiopian. No, this is not the Ethiopian flag. Yes, and a lot of Kenyans have gone ahead to react to it. Now, Faith Kipyegon has officially been awarded the silver medal in the women's 5,000 meters after Team Kenya successfully appealed against the initial disqualification for obstruction in an incident with the Ethiopians Gudaf Segei. Yes, our legend is back on the tracks. And now let me tell you, Faith, until we yet to appeal for you to reward our Faith the medal that she deserves. Mngoje kesho. The 1500 meters. Nakwambia anapeperuka. She will break another world record. We love you, Faith Kipyegon. Keep doing Kenya proud. I want to read a few comments and a few reactions from Kenyans kwa sababu wa Kenya wanamiminika na comments. Namuona Finis Gara amesema mmereject hadi wakakubali. Viva Gen Z. I am the God. FX anasema Kenyans went hard on the Olympics posts. Viva tarehe ni 8. Bakari J. Kenya anasema after they have been told we are going to occupy Paris. Warena Nation says if you love Kenya give a like. Smash Kid anasema na wasirudia tena, next tutatuma salamu za chapati moja. Mike Smaki anasema pale Twitter wameona mambo inaelekea kuchemka. Don't mess with our legends, and we always say don't mess with our heroes. We love our heroes. Don't mess with people like Faith Kipyegon, with our Mary Moraa, with our Eliud Kipchoge, with our Ferdinand Omanyala. Don't mess with those people. If you want us to discharge our anger and our and our unsatisfactions with our government, then go ahead and mess with our heroes. Mtajua mjui, mess with our heroes. Now Paris was about to go lit. As in Mwaki. But right now, Faith has been reinstated. She has received a silver button, and we say viva to our champion girl. Keep winning. Keep raising the Kenyan flag high. Here we say, God bless you, Faith. God bless the residents of Kenya. And God bless the great Republic of Kenya.